Can you turn off Reddit data collection? Well, the answer depends. Some data collection preferences can be managed. However, most of the collection preferences are unmanageable by default. And if you want to manage some posts, and if you want to manage some data, you want to simply tap on the Reddit application first to open it. After that, you want to click on your profile over here, tap on three bars over here and tap on settings. Here you want to simply tap on account settings, and inside your account settings you'll be able to see and inside your profile settings you want to simply scroll down and you'll be able to see an option called privacy and security, and all of the option of the data collection over here. If you want, you'll be able to personalize or change your settings according to your preferences over here. If you don't want people to follow you, your chat permissions, manage mute communities, and manage block accounts, settings like this will help you on your data collection if you want to turn it off as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.